Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Congratulations. Welcome.
Is this a part of it? Down there.
God will bless you and God will protect you for us in Jesus' name. Amen.
God God go bless our governor. Long life and prosperity.
Yes.
God go the lead and they go.
Yes.
For our good governor, God go bless him. Make him carry they go. God is there with him. Now what did I want to talk? Chicken, huh?
Yes.
Hey, please, we need the cost of things to be reduced. We need things to change in Nigeria, more especially in Rivers State. Yes, we love him. He's trying and we ask that he should try very much.
Yes. We so much. We like our governor. This is our governor today. We are happy very well. We're happy as he come Creek Road. Come and see what is happen for Creek Road. Today where he come to Creek Road. Look at every Creek Road today clear and very fine. So we're happy for this our excellent governor.
Gentlemen of the press, good afternoon. We are here to inspect for ourselves the position of things in town. You are aware that some weeks ago a committee was inaugurated for the redevelopment of town, and I've been getting a lot of calls from the old boys of town that if we have to do anything, first of all, we need to sort out the issue of market. We are aware that when the Agri Road, the Creek Road was being, the Creek Road was being reconstructed, that the market was relocated. And when the market was relocated into number 3 field, it affected the face of the town. So I came here myself with the Commissioner for Housing, the Commissioner for Urban, the Chairman of the Committee for the Reurbanization of Town, the SSG, to see for ourselves what we can do immediately. I can say here that the first thing we are going to do immediately before we start the cleaning and redesigning of town is to make sure that we give them a befitting market so that we can immediately move those people out of those residential areas so we can commence befitting or beautifying the town areas. So I can tell you, I feel very, very sad that our people are going through this in the course of development. I assure them government is continuing, that will do everything to make sure that we settle them in an appropriate and well-befitting market. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.